Howdy howdy, Cody here with Creation Outdoors, and I'm back out on the water on a small lake here in southern Minnesota. And happy 2021. We're in about the first week of the year here, and it's been a very pretty week with a lot of frost on the trees. So like I said, we're out on a small lake, gonna see if we can get some walleye and maybe some panfish. We'll see. We've never fished this lake before. I'm out here with my buddy Shaun, who you may have seen from his first deer video that we put up on the channel earlier this year, and so we're getting him into ice fishing as well. So we've never been here. We use the DNR Lake Finder app on the Minnesota DNR website, which is pretty awesome, and we just looked at stocking info and the general netting info that they have on that website to pick this lake. And so we're going to give it a shot today and see what we can get up through the ice. Okay, we've marked a few fish, but nothing on the jigging lines. But we put down a tip up with a sucker minnow on this drop off, and we've got our first flag. And I did see it spinning, so we'll see what happens. You can see it.
Yeah. First fish.
We'll see. Oh, yep. It's on there. Oh, it may have just come off.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. Brought it down into the weeds. I could feel that. But it's off. Let go.
Oh.
Poor guy. So be it. We'll switch him out and get it back down there. Try again. Positive, at least.
Yep.
That's how tip-ups are, though.
Yeah. They
I'll see.
I've never done tip-ups ever. So,
really?
Yeah.
So, but some excitement at least. Encouraging.
Slow start.
Slow
We'll
start.
get there though.
Yep.
We're finding fish.
We're getting it fine-tuned. Close. Hate that. Never know how long to let them eat with the tip up. We'll put another sucker on there and get going. I'll bring this over. I always use my flasher to set tip ups just so that I know exactly where the minnow is and how close we are to the bottom. So grab that too. This guy had a lot of line out, so got that wound back up. Let's see if we can spill our minnows. Alright, so we got another sucker minnow. I always like to hook them a little bit behind the dorsal fin. Seems like it may give them a little bit more activity, but who knows? So, got my graph going. See if we can figure out where to put him. He's stronger than my sinkers are. Oh, there we go. A little mark. Move our transducer to see if we can pick him up. There he is. A little bit farther to go. Okay. Where are you, guy? Perfect. Okay, one last check. Yep. flashing there just a little bit off the bottom, which is where I like to be. So we'll leave her there and see what happens. So I just cut the camera, and I was still sitting here after just setting this tip up, and the flag went off. Hey Shaun, I just set it down there and it went off, and now it's going. Okay. Maybe we'll let this guy eat a little bit. I'm gonna pull the transducer out here so that we don't screw it up. It's definitely going now. Look at that. And stop. Let's see if we can pull one out. Stop now, so I don't know if I dropped it or what. Pull out the slack here. I don't know. Must have dropped it.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, because there's no resistance.
Man, that's funny. You just dropped it down there and boom.
Yeah, so nothing there.
Yeah.
So I'll have to reset it. But
Yeah.
2 for 2 on the drop side of this hole, though, so that's encouraging.
Well, it's weed central over here.
Yeah. So we'll reset her. Try again. So I'm getting a lot of marks in this hole, and some follows, but nothing super crazy really wanting to eat it. So other than the 2 flags on the tip up, this is our best activity. So I think I'm probably gonna try something different here. I can show you I've been using a moonshine shiver minnow in the clown color. Like I said, we've been getting some follows, but nothing other than that. So time to switch it up.
Now permanent resident.
Well, our spot's not a secret, and neither is this little lake. It's kind of a basin shape, and there's kind of one, I don't know what you'd call it, I guess, but big change in bottom topography and contour, and we're over here at kind of the point of that, and so is everyone else. But lots of vehicles coming out here, which I don't know. Apparently it's safe. We got about 10 inches or so of ice, but marking a lot of fish, just not super aggressive yet. 2 flags on the tip up, and I missed one here, came off halfway up, so we're keeping our baits changed and trying to see if we can get something to be aggressive. Hopefully as we get closer to dusk here, things will really heat up for us. Well, so far so slow, but we have a lot of hope that it's going to get better.
It is a not so big perch. Yep.
That's what probably been messing with us.
I think so.
You finally got him on the tongue. Oh, just a hook and a worm,
Just a
huh?
hook and worm.
Well,
There's a ton of them down there.
yeah.
They're just finicky as heck.
Yeah.
And they're not big.
No, I guess so.
It's probably the same thing that was over there too.
I'm guessing so. But I just put on a tungsten, and
Every once in a while I'll see like a big signature come in and they always go down and ignore me, but whatever.
well,
Whoop. Well, should I see if he's got any big brothers?
there you go. We're not skunked anymore.
Yeah, we're not.
That counts.
I don't know if that counts.
It counts. No matter how small, it counts. It's probably what's been chasing our baits and not hitting too hard. But again, hopefully as we get closer to dark, those turn into their bigger walleye-like cousins. One can hope. That's what we like to see. Alright. Well, we'll see if he's still there. Give her a go. Nothing. Not a lot of weight. Must have just dropped it. Man alive. What is the deal? Don't know what these guys are doing over here. Not a secret spot. Everybody and their brothers out here. Oh, oh yeah, oh. It is there. Wow. There's just enough slack in the line where I thought it wasn't there. All right. Head shakes. Oh, okay. It's got some weight to it. Oh, we got one of the 4 northern. Oh, he just broke me off.
Oh, northern?
Northern. Pretty good size northern.
Oh, man.
I don't know if you could see that down the hole, but I was worried that was going to happen.
That's funny.
Northern. Probably, I don't know, 30 inches probably.
Really?
Ish. But based on the lake finder, there was not a lot of northern in here.
I don't remember hardly any.
No, hardly any. Less than 10 out of their survey.
Yeah, you found
I found the one. So I'm gonna have to re-tie and go from there.
Yeah.
These guys must be hole hopping, I guess.
Yeah, they probably are having just as much success as we are, I guess.
So, well, that's definitely a northern at the hole and a 3-inch perch.
It's a popular place.
Yeah.
I think these fish see a lot of bait.
A lot of baits.
Yeah.
These guys are making Swiss cheese over here, I guess, for the night. Oh, and we got another truck coming out.
Yeah.
Well, at least we've
that's a Tacoma, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or a
yeah, Tacoma.
Yeah, it is. Dude, looks pretty new. Yeah, I don't think oh, man.
Okay, well, I guess people are onto us.
This is it's starting to look like relax or something.
Yeah, no kidding. So
Look at this.
I've got all the stuff over there that I have to rebait this, but that's a fish to the hole.
Yeah, you got
Not a perch.
Got a northern.
So
Yeah, I don't remember.
that was fun. No, there was like none on the survey, so
A lot of walleye.
yeah, well, that's what we're shooting for, but we get their stinky cousins.
These guys are making lunch too.
Yep.
Holy racket city.
Yeah, it's pretty much
Is there going to be any? Well, I was going to say, is there going to be any room to pull out of the parking lot? But all the vehicles are out here. So.
yeah, no joke. Busy place for the evening rush, I guess. All right, back in business there. Let's get back to jigging. See if we can get anything more on this tip up. It's a positive sign. Positive sign.
Oh, what do you got?
Something's on there.
All right.
I didn't have a whole lot of faith because it wasn't spinning the whole time, but there's definitely something. Gonna try and play this one gentle so we don't break another one off. Another northern.
Oh yeah. All right.
Just gotta get his face up
Oh
here.
yeah. Oh, there we go. Hey, nice, buddy. Nice.
He swallowed it.
Yeah, he
but
did.
Must have. Alright,
Here.
go.
I got pliers.
Okay, I just gotta get the whole nose here.
finding them.
He's all sorts of wrapped up now. Oh, no, it's
Oh.
He's got my other hook in it.
Oh my gosh, he does.
Yeah.
Oh man. How did I grab that?
So that's
That's
get that on camera. He's got
he's
that's
he likes
my
Cody's hook.
That's my last hook. And then now he's got one down there.
All right, hook number 1. There we go.
Barely hooked. He's fine. There we go. He's got my previous line all mixed in, but there you go.
There we are. A fish.
Yeah,
Nice.
fish.
Yeah, northern.
There we go. How cool was that? We're back set up now. Got everything back down, but it's pretty neat to get your tackle back from a fish. That pike just must be roaming this area, so we've got it back down. We'll see if we can catch him a third time, but I guess that's vindication. Still pretty busy. We're getting much darker now, so gonna get another line down and see if we can hook into any walleye. Well, we are packing up. We've got a long walk, and it was a slow night, so we're gonna just get walking. Marked a lot of fish, but I think it's just, you know, maybe small perch and small perch that get fished a lot, as the number of people out here is kind of extreme. That's broken.
Okay.
We're making do. But it was fun, and we crossed this one off the list. Like I said, it was one that we thought would be promising based off the survey data, but
Yeah.
turned out to be not so much. So
A lot of people.
a lot of people. So we'll try some of the other small lakes here in southern Minnesota and see if we can get on a little bit better bite. But thanks for watching. We don't always hammer a whole lot of fish, nor do we always shoot deer. That's how it goes in real life. So
It wouldn't be any fun if you did it every time.
yep. So thanks for watching. Until next time, we appreciate you.